video for y'all. And baby, we about to tame this mane. I really don't even want to do too much talking, but I wanted to do an introduction. I have somewhere to be later and I have to do my hair. And I don't want to spend money to get my hair done. So we're just about to do it ourselves. I just double washed it from a quick weave that I did on myself. So if you guys haven't seen that video, watch that video too for my quick weave. But yeah, I just took that out, double washed it. And now I'm about to get ready to blow dry it because I cannot even go outside with wet hair. It's freezing outside, so yeah, after the wash, I'm about to blow dry. I'm using Cutie heat protectant and my blow dryer. And then with that, I'm using my brush too. Yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm trying to go outside, but I can't if my hair is wet, so let's just go ahead and blow dry this mess. Okay, so the hair is blow dry out, and this is what I'm working with. And now you can like literally brush through it, and it's way more manageable. And yeah. So I'm about to take a break, and then once I come back, about to wand curl my hair. I just have a feeling that it might come out cute. That's why I wanted to record today, just in case it's cute. But I'm about to go take a little break because the washing and the blow drying has definitely drained me. I've been doing hair for about 2 hours now, and we still have a long ways to go. So I'm about to go take a little break, eat, and then we'll resume. Right now that we're back from my break, I'm about to get ready to wand curl my hair, and that's basically what we're gonna be doing. I'm just gonna be trying to do like little curls all over my hair, so I hope it comes out cute and not like too little girl. Honestly, I don't know how this is about to go. I just wanted to record just in case it turns out really cute because it's my first time trying this, but why not? So take it out of the scrunchie, and I'm just gonna section it, start in the back, work my way up, and we just gonna try to do some cute little long curls all throughout, and just give it like a cute curly bouncy look is what I'm going for. So yeah, I'm just going to be curly little pieces of hair, and I'm sure it's gonna take me like an hour to do it. So I kind of just want to like speed through this process and hold each piece for like 10 seconds is what I'm thinking. You gotta put the glasses on for this because you gotta make sure. I couldn't find my gloves that I've been using for my wand curling, but let's make sure I'm not burning my fingers. Okay, so this is the first little curl. I know y'all can't really see it against the black, but first little curl. So this is the finished product. I'm still working out the kinks with this little part. I'm not sure how I want it to like lay, but this is the hair. And now I'm just going in and trying to do my brows, and then I'm thinking about putting on some lashes to just really bring everything together and see how I feel about it. I don't know if what it's giving. Like, I was worried about either looking too little girl or too grandma, and I don't really know what it's giving, to be honest. And I'm still trying to like process how I feel about it, because it's my first time curling my real hair. But yeah, I'm just trying to like do the rest of my beauty, and hopefully everything will come together. And hopefully these clips will like make it like lay down a little bit. I feel like it was just like really big and just, it wasn't giving. I don't know. But I'm about to do my brows real quick. And so basically that just includes cleaning up right here under my brows. Okay, so this is why I love these press-on lashes, because literally it took me like 10 minutes and you already see how beautiful they look. And I'm about to do the other side, and I feel like it's coming together. My edge control is flaking up on me, but I'm gonna fix that in a second. But yeah, I feel like the look is kind of coming together a little bit more. I don't know. I still don't know if I like it, but I feel like it's not giving grandma the way that I thought it was at first.